Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Apex Investor. I'm trying to be louder than normal, so if this is too loud, just let me know or turn down your volume. The Dow Jones is 35,484 points. That's a pretty healthy level. As long as it's, I think, above 35,000, we're pretty good. If it hits 40,000, that's great. If it goes below 30,000 or even reaches 31 and then goes at 30,000 below, we're looking at some red flags there, indicating a possible stock market crash. So you can see my portfolio right there, how much it's worth. uh, the day gain looks like I gained a bit. Mcafee is up 10%. So this is really seems to be a promising stock going forward. Mcafee. All right. And looking at the other ones here, DD is kind of, well, I'd stay away from that one. Metamaterials is up 1%. So we are up today. Again, this is the tide turning. And by the end of this month, as I said in my previous video this morning, I think we're going to see a dramatic gain after this month is over. So I'm up. Overall, I'm down only 37%. I was actually down, I think, close to 50% at one point. So we're really moving forward. I mean, all this has to do is go up to $4 or $5, and a lot of us will be close to breaking even, close to that. Because I think I've averaged, I'm averaging $5. So that's not too bad when you consider this stock started off at $20 at one point, or was at $20 before the official merger, when all the hype was going on there. Coinbase is up another bit here today, 278. So Coinbase is a very good buy. Maybe not at this point in time, but was a good buy at 220 and below. So you would be reaping a lot of rewards right now if you bought that. Roblox is okay. Kodak is seeing some strength here. I do have some Kodak shares. Oh, no, that's Sorrento. Never mind. Wrong stock. But that's looking pretty good as well. Besides that, don't see any big movers or shakers. Canaan is continuing marching forward above $9, but that's because of Bitcoin. Again, these Bitcoin stocks are all going up. Let's just take a look at SOS, except SOS, okay? So I guess they're not a Bitcoin stock. So the true Bitcoin stocks are Canaan, and not even Mara, but Canaan and Coinbase. So the two start with a C and they end with an N. Besides that, yeah, Bitcoin is at $46,000 US dollars per Bitcoin now. So that is just seems to be steadily moving up towards 50,000 again. Clover is okay, kind of just steady over there. And Express was up yesterday, I think 10%. Now it's just kind of flatlined today. AMC is just about regular, or not regular, steady at 31.55. GameStop, same story, 158. So that's all for those. I'm going to look at FinViz before we go to where are we going after that? Twitter and Mr. What's his name? Kowalski there. See if he put a new blog. Probably did not, though. So Metamaterials is trading between 334, which is what the short spotted at, 330 and thereabouts, and 365. And the volume was only a paltry 9.5 million. So if this just gets 100 million, not even 100, just give it 50 million. And if we see 100 million, this is going to go like bonkers. It's going to go double digits pretty quickly. That's what I foresee. And I reported this morning that they're going to report the quarterly earnings on the 16th. That's actually wrong. It's going to be the 12th. That is tomorrow after hours. So the 13th is looking to be a very interesting date for Metamaterials shareholders. Okay, so let's look at FinViz and then move on to Twitter and Kowalski and the Reddit. So the big loser today was Hire Car, which is a American rental and leasing service, kind of like I suppose they're like Hertz, and they're down 48%, over 48%. Dyadic International, an American biotech company, is up the most big winner today, 47% gain. Unusual volume. I don't see any potential plays here. No. Yeah, I don't really see any. Maybe that one might be ACHL, but you know what? Never mind. I don't want to look into those sketchy stocks right there. So Kowalski, let's see what he put here. If he put anything new today, probably didn't, but I'll just pause to save you some time. I have to look at everything that I'm doing. Okay, so the one post I want to read from Wall Street Bets today is regarding Mcafee. It says 121 updates. It says here, John Mcafee did not himself. So basically, he's saying they're a dominant antivirus software company, pretty much used for every laptop and PC in existence. He's saying the software is well ahead of its peers and is used even within governments. They announced they would be doing a special dividend of $4.50 per share, owned with an ex-dividend date of August 12th, placing it into tomorrow. So I guess tomorrow will be the last day. I'm not sure. The stock has not seen absurd amounts of volatility like we have seen with other special dividend offers. So the float size, we're going to see this could explode, to be honest. The dividend is a return of capital from the firm. The stock will go down by the amount of capital returned to investors through the dividend. Okay. Large special dividends lower the strikes of options based on that value. Selling calls on it is actually dumb unless you think the stock is going to dump beyond the value of the special dividend. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with Mcafee. I feel like it's going to go up. That's just my instinct. It might go up a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. I think all this attention from Wall Street Bets is going to ensure a successful rise for the stock. And this person says it's not great software at all, that it's classified as malware. So anyhow, there's just a lot of FUD being spread here. And he said John Mcafee actively hated what the software had become and was famous for trashing his former company. Okay, so if you want to invest into this company, focus on the companies that have made it easy to perform automated installations and cloud servers. Okay. So it looks like there's going to be a big dump after tomorrow. Interesting. So you'll get the dividend tomorrow if you buy, and then if you sell it the day after, you'll still get the dividend. That's what it seems like. I don't know. That doesn't really bide well by me. So I'm just going to go off to Metamaterials and close off the show. Okay, we are in for a doozy with Metamaterials. This is the 5th consecutive day of green. We're in the positive. We've been gaining the last 5 days. I predicted that from August 10th going forward, we're going to see a lot of dramatic changes with this specific stock, Metamaterials. So as you can see, I'm loading at least 7 tabs, and there's so much news. Most of it has to do with Samsung. Okay, someone's saying it's fake. I don't know. We'll take a look. Let me just do my research first and then tell you about it. Okay, let me look at these posts first. So the first post is saying, rest here, wary traveler. There are endless Samsung customer service posts ahead. This looks like something from Dark Souls with the bonfire there. It says here, Samsung customer service reps got to be saying WTF right now. And it says, boss, nobody cares about the threefold. They just keep hitting us with questions about NanoWeb. And someone says here, honestly, if this gets confirmed by George himself, I'll go out and buy one. I actually like the Z Fold 3. I just picked up a Pixel 4 5G a few months back when I switched carriers. Yeah, I don't see why we shouldn't. If we're going to buy this product that is confirmed to be made by Metamaterials, or at least one of its parts, we're going to help Metamaterials and Samsung. So that's great. So I've got how many posts left? I think there's 10 left. So let's just sift through these and see what we have here. If this is fake or real or whatever, what so have you. Is it both? How can it be both? There's a little bit of truth. It's a little bit of a lie. Let's take a look. Okay, so we've got a video here, and hopefully it runs pretty smoothly. I've turned on video fidelity, so here it goes. It's 29 seconds long. Let's listen to it together. I don't hear any sound. I don't know what's going on with this. I have to change the setting here. Try that again. This person's recording from their phone. It's like an iPhone, someone said. There's no sound coming out for this video. Samsung confirmed. Well, I don't hear anything. What is happening? Let's try that. Okay, so let's try this again. I've been having technical difficulties with this video. So let's try one last time. Hopefully it works. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3.
So here you'll see the conversation, and you'll see there at the end, yes, it's available with the Z series. So for all you haters out there, it is true, or seems to be true, direct through the Samsung chat.
Okay, so he seems to have, it's a little misleading. I'm not saying it's completely false or completely true. I think we need more than that, to be honest. We have the next post, new institutional buying, BlackRock Incorporated. Latest disclosed ownership consists of over 4 million shares, valuing over $32 million US. So BlackRock, the huge investor there, they bought AMC, they bought GameStop. They're in Metamaterials, so we can confirm that. So I might just make this about BlackRock, to be honest. So they bought AMC before the squeeze. Now they're buying this. They're making all the right plays. Yeah. Some people like to say BlackRock are short. They're short sellers, but you know what? They are also bullish too. They are also they're not just bearish; they're bullish. So they're not only. You can't just assume that's what they're doing is shorting it. I don't think that's what they're doing in this instance. They're looking to make a lot of money, in my opinion. So they have 4 million shares. You think they're just gonna, short it? Why would they short themselves? Doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, next one. Some video proof, so we know it's not photoshopped. So I think it's the same video we just watched a moment ago. So we now have 9 posts or 8 posts to go. Okay, they're referring to it as super thin sheet of silver. Okay. So it seems to be another video. Okay. So Yahoo Mail, all your history conversation in one mail. Let's play this one too. Here we go. Got a couple of videos and BlackRock confirmation too. All right, this one is also having some technical difficulties with this as well. Oh, here it is. Hi, no matter what you are shopping for, we are here. I have a question. Does this have metamaterials? One moment. You've been connected. Can you verify metamaterials making? Yes, metamaterials technologies. Oh, they just should pause it right here. So it says here, yes, metamaterials technologies developed an alternative called nanoweb that bends in a folding phone without cracking. It's made of a super thin sheet of silver. Nanoweb? Yes, metamaterials technologies developed an alternative called nanoweb that bends in a folding phone without cracking. It's made of a super thin sheet of silver. So, wow. Okay, if that's real, I don't know if it is, but I'm going to take it with a grain of salt. Wow, this is going to explode. I mean, someone said Samsung isn't as big as their other deals, and I agree. But this is going to be crazy if they announce Samsung as their first piece of news. My goodness, this is going to explode. Okay. So Samsung confirmed good enough for me. Go Metamaterials. That's the next post. So it's all about BlackRock and Samsung. I don't know which is bigger. I'm going to say Samsung is bigger. So I'm going to make this post about or video about Samsung. So someone else posted here. Can you tell me if the new blah, blah, blah? Yes, it uses it. So another similar thing. More specific than my convo with them. Okay. So another one. BlackRock buys shares of Meta. So we've got 7 left. And how many do they buy again? 4 million? $3 shares. So it says here, okay, it's a lot of small print. So the government funds BlackRock for QE. They are at a level they are too big to fail with 9 trillion under management. Okay. So this is going to work out well for us, I think. We've got the institutional investors locked and loaded, baby. 10 questions or 10Q. Ken Rice is eager to share. Must be something. Okay, here we go. I'm looking forward to our resident accountant to do a DD on their financial report. So this is the topic or the picture here. Metamaterials, a developer of high-performance functional materials and nanocomposites, today announced the company expects to report the Q2 2021 results and file a Form Q, 10Q, with the SEC on Thursday, wow, August the 12th, after the trading session, I think it says. We are eager to share our first quarterly report since Meta became the first metamaterial company listed on the NASDAQ, said Ken Rice. The deadline is August the 16th. We expect to file ahead of time this Thursday. So they're ahead of the game. And I think it's lining up with all the FTDs that are going to be expiring that same day too. And this is exactly what the post is saying. The next one, did George Palikaras line up Q2 earnings with these 8.6 million failure to delivers from Torchlight on August the 12th? What do you think? I think so. Yeah, it actually makes sense. I think he's very strategically minded. He's something of a genius. I mean, he is the metamaterials guy. People would say Elon Musk is a genius. I would say he's around the same thing. He's of the same ilk. Okay, man, this is getting really very interesting. Now, I knew this company had so much potential. Now we're starting to see them fulfilling that potential with this BlackRock that has been confirmed, and now Samsung confirmation, according to so many posters now. You can check everything over here. I can help you. Are the new Fold 3s made with Metamaterials nanoweb? Yes, it is. Okay, wow, if that's real, man. Man, their response was there is no mention of nanoweb. They have no information about a provider. He asked other reps and said there's no mention of nanoweb. This does not mean it's not nanoweb. So we still need to wait for confirmation from George Palikaras. I think we need to wait for that official confirmation. But this is, let's take it with a grain of salt as speculation for now. So I'm going to say Samsung deal, question mark. I don't know. George just likes butterflies. People made 5+ fake conversations with Samsung customer service. One has been a video, still not good enough. Did anyone watch Samsung unveil the phone and listen to everything they said, especially the watch? Yes, NanoWeb, manufactured by Metamaterials, is in fact the damn Samsung phone and watch. Metamaterials does not make glass. Nobody is saying they make glass. I love it. George just likes butterflies. Bro, there were butterflies in Nanotech's introduction video that was made years ago. He tweeted butterflies a couple days before the acquisition. A bit skeptical about customer service reps too. Hope you're all right, but we need official news to move the stock price. So yeah, it's not official. These are all rumors. But if these rumors get confirmed, oh my goodness, the stock is gonna $3 is gonna seem like a big joke when it gets to 10, because I think it might head to 10 pretty much instantaneously after the news of the Samsung deal. I just had to find out for myself. This is a screenshot of my condo with the Samsung. They've confirmed Metamaterials NanoWeb technology is being used in the Galaxy Fold 3. Samsung effing confirmed. Okay. So a lot of people are doing this. I don't know if this is real. Again, we have to take it with a mountain of salt. But if it's real, holy smokes, this is going to explode. BlackRock seems to be real. This is wild speculation. I'm still going to make the video title Samsung just because it's a rumor. So Samsung rumor. Can we confirm it? No. Can we deny it? No. We just have to leave it open to maybe. If it's true, holy smoke, this stock's going to explode. Even if it's not true, the stock is still going to explode. It doesn't need Samsung, but hey, wouldn't hurt. The future is looking flexible. I see what you did there after mentioning deal with the cell phone. Palikara says his company is already looking ahead at how the technology could fit into other parts of the consumer tech space. He imagines bendy screens in cars or refined displays in home appliances. Metamaterials Technologies also has a contract with a major phone manufacturer, though Palikaros won't say which one. So it seems to be Samsung. That looks like that's what it is. Link to the whole article. It's from 2019. Oh, wow. So someone says this article is from 2019. And then this guy says here, that's fine because Samsung said it took them 2 years to develop the Fold 3. And he's right. So this might explode. Let's look at this article from wired.com. Oh my goodness. Bizarre new materials could make bendy phones work. Holy smoke, is it going to explode? This is from wired.com. This isn't some joke. All right. If we see metamaterials here, I'm just going to do a, oh! What do you do after he's, oh, right here, George Palikaros. He's right there. Oh my goodness. Here you go. Wow. So it's confirmed. It's confirmed via Wired that they are working with a phone company. And it says right here, Samsung is developing a different structure. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. So Metamaterials is developing an alternative called NanoWeb. It bends in a folding phone without cracking. Wow. So they have a contract with a major phone manufacturer, but he won't say which one. It's not that he won't, he can't say because he had to announce it at the right time. This is 2 years ago. He's been waiting 2 years to announce this news. So he's going to, if you think he's not going to announce this news, what the heck is this? If you don't think he's going to announce this news when he can, you got something else coming. Okay. Two beams cross streams like Ghostbusters. If you have a pond, okay, where they meet you, you have this interference pattern. There's the whole principle of holography. Oh my goodness, what is happening? So it's reflecting the wavelength of green laser light. So I think it's shining directly at a certain direction, but it's reflecting the light. Oh my goodness. Stuff actually works. Wow. Wow. Oh my, wow. Oh boy. Okay, we're in for a doozy, people. Once this gets confirmed, what Wire.com is writing about here, that George has a contract. It's been confirmed by Wired. He has a contract They have a contract with a major phone manufacturer. It's not small beans. This is a major manufacturer, whether it's Apple or Samsung or Google. We don't know. We're gonna find out. And once we do, brace yourselves. This stock is gonna go double digits very quickly, and y'all gonna be rich. There's gonna be there's gonna be another squeeze going on. You're in it with AMC, with GameStop. We're gonna see another one with Metamaterials. Man, I'm so pumped. I'm so jacked right now. Thanks everybody for your support. God bless you all, and God bless your investments.